Wake up, buddy. We gotta make a new video. Let's go!
Yeah, we are right, yeah!
Yeeps. Finish? Oh.
Right, the YEEPS game, yeah.
Okay, so research facility is no longer basement anymore. So if you want to this map, it's behind Blue House. Yeah. Kind of showing these computers. Oh, this is a secret password. If you activate these two, right. As you can see, I am trapped. Oh, what's this? It opens. Oh yeah. Bundle. Get rid of it. New tech web. Tech something with wires, buttons, whatever these thingies, screens for the computer or something. Oh, trap doors. Yeah, trap doors. Wireless receiver. Doors. And key dispenser. Keyhole. And 4x4. And 4x8. Here. Dome, arrows, calculation, 8x8 and 2 spikes, power two-way teleporter, so you can see doors now. Go in here and go for a little, then you will have a key that will get out of that dispenser. Now, door, come over here. There's a door key. Door key. Go into this bed, and I continue. But that end, you go here. See those two? Okay. This, then this teleporter. Okay. Power. Okay. But don't let me go. It's not working. So and we need a red door to go in. Right. Go here. If you like me to use something. Oh, I use the key. Here, you already know what this does. Smite. Behind it. Yeah. Experience. Go in this closet. Purple key. How do you get the purple key name? Oh, I'm about to show you. press this. Left key. Press this little button. Get it. First try. Yeah, and then here, there's a sewers. Yo, go here. Go on this like orange. Then yeah, wait. On that blue. When you hear the note blocks, go back to the storage closet. And purple key. See? So, what does this purple key do? There's a place dash right here. As you can see, I already opened it. Put it in. Boom, get it. These teleporters? I don't know. This is a computer. That button. That button. This button. Activate that button. If you go in this acid, there are spikes. You don't want to hit the spikes because you are gonna be it. This is obstacle. This obstacle course you do to get the white key. But if you're playing a level, there would be your friend or someone up there controlling the traps. Here, when you beat it, you can control it. Then, but what? You are here. Button. Get out. You are in here now. So that's pretty much it. Comment down below. Or down below if I miss anything. So like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.